Scale Gizmo in AutoCAD 3D. Go to the Home tab and go here, Scale Gizmo. Select this tool and select the object. Once you select the object, you can see the direction, three direction you can see. And in this direction, if you click this point, you can place it wherever you want. I just place it this location. And I can show you three direction you can make the scaling. Just I select this point. Now you can see this object scale will change. See here, this color object is our original object, and another object it is scaled object. Now you can see here few more option. The first option, base point. If you select this base point, and you can make changes in this base point. Now I select this point is our base point. Now depends on this point, you will get the changes in this scale. Now here we have copy. If you select this copy, and it will ask you the scale factor, directly you can give the scale factor also. I just make it 2, enter. Now you can see escape key, and you can see it is scaled depends on this base point. This is 2 times scaled up. This is original object and this is scaled object. I select this one and delete it. Now here scale Gizmo is on, so if you select the object, you can see the tool again. Here it is switch on this scale Gizmo. So if you select any object, you can see the Gizmo tool. I just select this one and I place it the same point in this midpoint. Scale Gizmo, if you select this point, this area, if you select this area, and here if you select highlight this, and here we have option reference. Select the reference and I click this point and click this midpoint, exactly this midpoint. You select here and or shift right click. If you select here midpoint, it will show directly the midpoint. Now you can give the length. I just make the new length, it is 450, enter. Now you can see it is changed to 450. If you measure this one, you will get it, the length is 450. Control Z and it is back to the original position. Now again select this object, and if you click this point, this area, and here we have the next option, exit. Already we finished base point, copy, undo, reference and exit. When you use this reference point, you can use this copy also. I just select this reference and click the first point and then next point. Now I select here copy. Select the copy and give the new length, it is 400. Just make it 500, enter. Now you can see new length is copied and we got it the reference length. This is our original model, and here it is the scaled one with new length and it is copied. I just delete this one. So this is the way you can use scale Gizmo. And if you select this object, you can see the scale Gizmo automatically on because it is active. If you don't want the Gizmo tool, you can just no Gizmo. Select this no Gizmo, and if you select the object, you never get any Gizmo tool. This is called no Gizmo and scale Gizmo in AutoCAD 3D.